Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're gonna go over how to draw, okay? It's gonna be simple, easy, step-by-step for beginners, okay? So stick around, it's a very short lesson and we're gonna hop right into the video. Let's get started. Hey, how's it going? Let's go over the mixture of Sonic and Godzilla, okay? So when I kind of look at this, I'm thinking a little bit more of the couple of things here. Number one, I'm thinking of that furrowing of the brow. Curve right there for that eye. Curve underneath. Curve underneath on this side. And I'm gonna curve for that inner eye a little bit, and I'm gonna throw a curved line underneath. A lot of curves around the face because I really want to keep that look of his eye. Line over here. Curve right there because Godzilla has a little bit of a bump right there for his nose. Pulling down over here for the front of the face. Back. Line right there from the face, and I'm gonna end up pulling back. Curved line here where the mouth opens, that skin that opens. I'm gonna throw a nostril right there. Instead of him having the giant nose, I'm gonna have the nostril. So I'm gonna find the teeth now, right here. I like starting by finding the canines first and then filling it in. Curve over here. Line under here on this side. And then the teeth on this side as well. Right on. Bottom of the jaw, back. I'm gonna find the eye over here. I'm gonna draw Sonic's kind of curved eye. Highlight, dot in the center. Line back. Curve for Sonic's ear, or Sonic. I don't know what you call a mixture of Sonic and Godzilla. I have no clue. If you can come up with a name, let me know, please. Inner ear, taking that trait from Sonic. Gonna pull back here for one spike. Back here for another spike. Back here for another spike. Bunch of spikes there. Alright. Curve right here for the back of the mouth. Line over here for under the throat. Alright. Let's draw some more spikes over here. There'll be smaller spikes coming over there. He's gonna have Godzilla's body, so it's gonna be his chest right here, pulling down, and then I'm gonna draw, let's say, curve right here for the arm, and then I'm gonna have him like in a city. So I'm gonna go over here now, and I'm gonna draw just blocks here to show that he's, you know, a tall character. He's huge. And I'm gonna finish off some spikes pulling down there. So now you have him standing in a city there. Maybe draw a couple of windows. Right on. And let's go over here to, there's going to be a change in color of the chest area, and curve back for the arm, and maybe a snake belly kind of thing going on. Going to go over here, curve around to show the difference in color on the nose. And now you're going to just draw the texture, which is that, more or less. Curve right here under the neck. And we can draw like a thicker line around the actual eye. Kind of reminds me of Bowser a little bit. Alright. Line out. Down over here for his far side hand. Cuff of his glove. He's still gonna have a giant glove giving a thumbs up. And we're gonna draw some scales there on that as well over here. So from this point on I can throw a little detail, like throw a few more spikes here and there. Also little curves on the face, little curves like thin ones to show that there is like a texture on it. This is a weird monstrosity. Give me a like, please, if you. I mean, for the effort here. This is really hard to mix on the fly. I did not prep for this at all. This is literally just mixing. So we got the, again, giant kaiju Sonic, pretty much. Line over here for the tongue. Maybe fill in the back side of the mouth over here. Nice. There you go. One here. And again, we're just kind of throwing in little tick marks right here to give a little bit more detail to stuff. So we could draw a little bit more dark under the neck. That'll help. Over here. Line over here. Over here. And there we go. Whew, dang, this is a really weird one. I don't know what this is. But yeah, give me a name for this kaiju Sonic. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I will talk to you next time. And I'll see you soon, alright? See you later.